Welcome to another review on toysforjunior.com. Today we're going to look at another Lego Star Wars set. This looks like a really cool set. It's number 7669. It's Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. It contains 153 pieces for ages 7 through 12. Looks like it'll be a neat set. Has Anakin's little figure as well as R2-D2 and cool little Starfighter. So I'm going to get ready to open this and show you what's inside and then put it together. Alright, let's look and see what we have inside this set. Cost me about $19.99 online. It's fairly expensive, but not too much so. And it'd be a nice addition to any Star Wars Legos collection set. We have one package here. Another package with the bigger pieces. And a smaller package with smaller Lego pieces. I have some stickers here. Cool little stickers to put on. And of course the nice directions that are always easy to follow. Good pictures. So I'm going to take these Legos out of the packages and start building it and show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so I opened up the packages. I want to quickly show you all the different pieces that come with the set. See them divided up into the colors, different colors. There's Anakin and R2-D2. There are the other various pieces of the set. So now I'm going to put it together and get to see the finished product when we're done. Should be a good little Lego set. Okay, I finally got it together. It didn't take real long, but there are some smaller pieces that make it a little longer than you would think. There you go. This is a neat little set. Highly recommend it. It's a really cool set if you're collecting the Star Wars Lego series. A lot of little things. I have some stickers you put on right here and right there and on this tail right here and right there. Let's see what else. You have the landing gear underneath here. This moves up and down like that. Same with these. Can fold up underneath the wings. And same over here with this one. So you can keep it like that too if you just want to have it on the ground like this. Let's see. And also the wings. You'll see how they can go down like that on both sides. I think it does that when it's maybe when it's in flight. All you hardcore Star Wars fans would know better than me. But you can see it's a pretty neat deal. Put them back up like that. Anakin is in here in the cockpit. You can take that on and off pretty easy. There's Anakin. His hair, he doesn't have a helmet, he just has a thing of hair. It's kind of funny. Move that around if you want. But he sits in there. Put the cockpit back on. And R2-D2 sits right there. Just drop him down in here like that. Let me do this for you. This is a fun little feature. Nothing too exciting, but see that blue thing right there? If you hit that, it'll make R2-D2 eject. I'm going to try to do it. But my finger was on it. Hold on. Put it back down in there. And hit the blue button. There goes R2-D2. Oh, look. He landed right side up. What else? You have these little weapons right here. Come out like that. And there it goes onto the floor. Let's see what else. As you can see, it looks cool. It's a nice looking little Starfighter. Anakin's Jedi Starfighter, number 7669 for ages 7 through 12. I'm sure those younger than 7 would have just as much fun with it, but they might need some adult supervision to put it together. It has 153 pieces, paid $19.99 for it. Pretty good deal. You can see there underneath, there's the engines, boosters, whatever you want to call them. These right here come out and go back right there. If I could get that back in there like that. Am I missing anything? I think that's about it. Got the little eject feature for little R2. Other than that, that's it. I'm going to set it back up so it'll display properly. There you go. Oh, I don't want to leave this out. Take Anakin out. Well, see, there's his hair right there. Seems to come off. Take Anakin out. Put his wig back on. There he is. Over here, he's not flying. He's got his lightsaber ready to go. He's thinking, if I could just get my hair to stay on. So, there he is. Ready to go fight. There's R2. R2 and Anakin hanging out in the Jedi Starfighter. It's a cool little set. Highly recommend it. Be sure to stop by toysforjunior.com for more pictures and information, as well as other reviews of Lego sets and other cool little toys for little guys. Michael's going to love this. I'm sure your little boy will too. And if you're not a little boy, you'll still like it. It's a nice little deal. Be sure to stop by Toys for Junior. Thanks a lot.